In this video, we will show you how to properly remove and install the APC replacement battery cartridge 140, also known as the APC RBC 140. Before getting started, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and the new RBC. First, remove the front bezel of the UPS. This will just pull off. Next, unscrew the 2 or 3 screws holding on to the cover of the battery cartridge bay. Then, slide the metal tab to the left to reveal the APC RBC 140. Pull the handle on the bottom of each battery module to remove them from the UPS one at a time. You should hear a click from the Anderson connectors when they disconnect from the UPS. Slide the 2 new battery modules into the UPS one at a time and reconnect the Anderson connectors. Make sure you push firmly on the Anderson connectors. Then, close the battery bay cover and slide it to the right to lock it. Finally, tighten the screws back into the UPS. Place the front bezel back onto the UPS.